Google Colab gave you a free GPU. You ran text, then images. Now make the move. In this guide, you will generate real AI videos in your browser with zero local hardware. Text to video and image to video. CogVideoX and LTX running free on Google's T4 GPU.
No GPU, no installs, no web UI. Just a notebook. Let's start.
How does text to video work? A prompt goes into a text encoder, which turns your words into numbers. Then a transformer starts from random noise, shaped like a short clip, and removes that noise step by step across every frame at once. That is why the motion stays smooth.
Finally, a decoder paints the frames, and you get an MP4. Video is harder than images because memory scales with frames, so 2 billion parameter models are the right size for the free T4.
You already have everything from the series. Colab with a T4 GPU runtime enabled. A connected session. Your Hugging Face token from the images video. And optionally, an image you made there. No local GPU, no local installs. Everything runs on Google's cloud.
First, confirm the hardware. Run nvidia-smi. There it is. Tesla T4, 15 gigabytes of VRAM. Your GPU is real, and it is waiting.
Install the libraries, diffusers, transformers, and the Hugging Face transfer helper. Then accelerate, pin to the version from the official notebook, and imageio-ffmpeg, which writes the MP4. The log scrolls for a minute or two. Then, success. Your video toolkit is ready.
Both models are gated. Before downloading, accept the license on the model page. Then give Colab your token. You already made a read token in the images video. Paste it into login and you are in. One-time setup? Done.
Time for the first video. Load CogVideoX 2 billion in half precision, turn on CPU offload, and run a prompt. An epic castle on a mountain, clouds rolling past, camera orbiting. The download takes a few minutes, about 5 gigabytes. Then the model begins. 50 denoising steps, frame by frame.
On the free T4, give it about 15 minutes, and there it is. A 6-second clip generated free in the cloud. It moves.
Now a faster alternative. LTX-Video is built for motion at a real 25 frames per second. Same setup, one line changed, a drone shot over a coral reef. On the T4, keep the clip short around 2 seconds, and it fits with room to spare.
Choose your model. CogVideoX for solid all-round clips. LTX when you want motion and speed.
But here's the fun part. Remember the castle from the images video? LTX can bring it to life. Load the image, add a prompt. Camera pushes in, clouds drift. Minutes later, the same castle moves. Your image, now a video. Image to video on a free GPU.
A few tricks make better clips. Describe motion first. Orbit, push in, pan, drift, then subject, setting, and light. Write like a cinematographer describing a shot. Keep it under 200 words, and always add the negative prompt to push away blur and jitter.
Same prompt with motion words, and the clip comes alive.
One catch. Colab's machine is temporary. Close it and your videos and models vanish. Fix it with Google Drive. Mount your drive and save every clip to a folder there. Even better, point the model cache at drive before loading. Then models download once, and every future session starts in minutes, not in read downloads.
4 hiccups to know, out of memory? Turn on CPU offload, shorten the clip, or restart the runtime before loading a second model. A black video, add the negative prompt, and raise guidance. No ffmpeg? Install imageio-ffmpeg, and the export works.
And if the free T4 crashes mid-run, restart and try again. Know your limits, and the free tier never bites.
That is it. Verify the T4, install the libraries, load CogVideoX, generate text to video, switch to LTX for speed, bring an image to life, craft better prompts, and keep everything on drive. Text, images, and now video. All free in your browser.
If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below.
See you in the next one.